Marginalization and Introduction. In the coming modules, we will be talking about different aspects of marginalization which emerge from this hegemony of English and from the devaluation of the linguistic capital of the majority. So, we will be talking about the issue that comes in terms of accessing careers of choice. What role do languages play in this? What about progressing in careers? So once they are in the workplace, what role do languages play in allowing people to sort of self-actualize and to progress through the different grades? How does it affect the participation at work? And then we talk about how the preference for English can be socially exclusive. So when we talk about employers' preference for English language, apart from the technical aspect, technical jobs that might be treated differently, these can be socially exclusive, how they can lead to infest you with a sense of shame in oneself, and how it can lead to self-deselection from the wider participatory processes, and how it can restrict your participation and access. And then we will also talk about, because we are also dealing with the private school graduates, we are talking about the confidence and the self-esteem in knowing English language, the sense of vulnerability that is felt by the government school students once they move into real life situations, and what are these what do these offer as insights for bilingualism, for the maintenance of bilingualism and its significance in especially in multilingual contexts.